warning in effect from 10 p.m. Saturday to 6 p.m. Monday. Heavy mixed precipitation expected. Total snow and sleet accumulations between 5 and 8 inches and ice accumulations up to 1/4 of an inch. For portions of south central and southwest Illinois and central and east central Missouri. From 10 p.m. Saturday to 6 p.m. Monday. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday morning commute. Now here is the